Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we are here. We're in our basement right now, but hey, well, we're talking about door security. See, we've got a lock and a deadbolt, but we're going to add this device. So what this does is this goes in the jamb and the door hits here, and it makes it less likely to be kicked open because you have a whole bunch of screws holding it in. To open these, you pull them. To open these, you pull them away and you flip them open, and then the door opens. So what we're going to do is we're going to install that in here. You can put them down below. You can put them up high. We're going to put ours up a little higher in this case. But we're going to get going. I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's go look at the tools you need to get the job done. Don't forget links to Amazon for this, links to Amazon for the other stuff. If you shop Amazon, you help support the channel. We greatly appreciate the support from everybody. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Shop Amazon with a link. Even if you buy something else, it helps support this channel. Thank you. So the kit from Amazon came with this, those big 5 screws there and 1 little screw. We'll show you how that's used. You're going to need a drill. In our case, we've got a 3/32 drill bit in it. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to turn the screws. You need a pencil to mark things and a light. Now you're also going to need a hammer and a chisel if you don't have enough room. See here, we've got a lot of room. So if I put this in here, this slides right in. Okay, it goes this way, but here, see how that slides right in there? So since that slides in there, I don't necessarily have to chisel that into the wall because I got a good sized gap here. You can see how it fits in. So let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do with this in the closed position is we're going to slide it in here where we want to put it. We're going to slide it in here where we're going to put it. And what we're going to do is we're going to look where we should mark this. We're making a little mark on top here. Basically, it's right, the mark we made is right flush with this, so you don't really need that mark. Had the door not closed all the way, this would be in and out. So we're going to place our 1 screw in this long hole here so we can move it in and out. We're going to get that tight, make sure it works. Once we know it works, we will drill and put the other screws. So let's get going. So since we know our door will close, but it hits this screw, the one that's for the adjustment, we got it where we believe we need it. What we're going to do is drill our holes for our long screws. So now we drilled our hole. So we're going to go get a screwdriver bit to drive the screws. I'm going to use very long ones so I can get in there easy. What we're going to do is attempt to put 2 screws in. Okay. I better go get a better screwdriver tip. Okay, we're back with a better screwdriver tip. We may be hitting the bottom, we don't know. Can we get our hand screwdriver here? See if we're hitting the bottom. Oh yeah. So, problem we have here is this is in concrete. So the screw won't go in all the way. It stops about an 1/8 inch short. So what we're going to have to do is put a couple screws in here, and then we're going to have to make the screws a little shorter. So what we're doing is we're going to take the screws off. Again, stay short. Now remember, after a screw goes in and out of the hole a couple times, this will be very hot to the touch. Okay, we'll bring you back in a minute. So we did shorten the screws up here. You can see a little bit here. We shortened them up. So we'll still be able to put them in the hole. And we already had the screw in there once. There you go. Like I say, we may have to recess this. Tighten these by hand. Last thing we're going to do is take out this screw. Because this is the one that doesn't sit flush. Now we got it tightened up. I'm going to move you back, close the door, and see how it works. We know it's tight right there. Closes nice though. Then you pull this away, drop it like that. Can't get the door open now. So that's how this thing works. You can see over here how it works. Now when you want to open this, you pull it away like this, flip it this way. And here we're very tight because we've got this wall right here next to it. You can see how that works. So, works perfect. You engage your deadbolt, lock your other lock. We're all set. There you go, more home security. So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. My Two Good Hands will catch you in the next easy how-to home security, automotive projects. We do all types of things, woodworking. So subscribe to the channel. Do-it-yourself project to save you more money. Don't forget to go to Amazon, use the links to help support the channel. Again, here it is. It's done. It's easy to open. It's easy to close. Home security, I put it up high. If you had little kids, they can't get out this way now. So remember that when you put these on. You put them where kids can't get it and there's an emergency and they need to get out. You got to make sure they can reach it. See you soon in the next video.